Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This is Bao. Today I'm going to be doing a really fast Sephora haul slash Lilly lashes haul. Okay, so let's get started. First, I had to put it into two separate orders because the first thing I reordered was the IGK upgraded full size first class charcoal detox dry shampoo. This is currently my go-to dry shampoo. I'm almost done with a full bottle. I've used the full trial size. So when I saw this go on the website, this is like a gift. It's a $41 value for 27 bucks. So for me, I had to get it. I use dry shampoo very frequently because your girl got long hair and I don't like to wash it too often. So that was my first repurchase. Okay, next up we have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad in Ghost. I believe this one is for the paler ones like me. I love Hourglass products. They're always really luxe. And I haven't bought one in a while, so I figured I should go for it. The packaging is actually very light. Very light. It's kind of reflective. It's got a little mirror. You can see my ghetto setup. And the football game playing in the background. And then it's frosted on the sides here. It's kind of cute. Opens like this. And these are the colors. Very pretty. I'm excited to try it out. I'm really loving blushes right now, so 4 different colors, super pretty. I'm excited to try it out in an upcoming video, hopefully. I just gotta I gotta get it together. And you can see the mirror. Nice size mirror. This will be really good for traveling. But yeah, the compact is not as luxe as their previous products have been, so I'm a little disappointed on the packaging, but I know that the product's gonna work great. So, all good. Next is the Summer Fridays Merry and Brighter value here. It comes with an R&R mask, jet lag, and the overtime mask. So this one's for glow, this one's to hydrate, and this one's to exfoliate. And I decided to buy this one because it's a $90 value for 64 bucks. I've been using the Jetlag Mask and I really like it for nighttime. I definitely find that it keeps me hydrated throughout the night. So I had to repurchase a big one because I just had a trial size and I've already used that up. Got that. It is a full size product, and then the overtime mask and the R&R are both trial size. Anyways, on here it says that they're the same size. They're all 64 grams, 2.25 ounces, but that's not true. The Jetlag is clearly bigger than the other two. It's cool, no big deal. I really like this one, even though there was a little bit of drama that I found out really late about regarding Summer Fridays. I really like the Jetlag Mask, so I'm definitely gonna be using that. I also got the Charlotte Tilbury, the Gift of Pillow Talk Lips. Looks like this. I've really been feeling lips lately, and the ones that I have from Jeffree Star I do love. I just feel like they're starting to be a little neutral on me. So I'm gonna try these out. So it comes with the lip liner, a little mini lip liner, and a bullet lipstick. Really cute color. I think it's gonna be great for the holidays. So I'm definitely gonna have to be trying this one out. Also to be featured in a new video. Keeping myself accountable. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer has been bomb.com. I got a sample size in one of my Sephora orders earlier this summer, and I really fell in love with the product. It helped me keep my oiliness at bay. I'm really oily anyway, so no matter what, I'm gonna be getting oils around the nose area, but other than that, it did help make my skin feel hydrated throughout the day underneath the foundation. So I had to go ahead and get the full size. Last couple of things. I had to buy another Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Blacker. It is my favorite eyeliner. It very rarely smudges underneath the eyes from a whole day's wear, so I keep going back to it. It's like like 18 bucks or something like that, which is kind of ridiculous for an eyeliner, but I love it that much. I also use Rococo if you want a brown highlighter. It's kind of got a little bit of flex in there, so it gives it a really cool sheen. But other than that, daily use blacker is my jam, okay? And the last product is the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Silky Lip Cream in She's Unapologetic. Really cute packaging, very feminine. Into that. Ooh, that's what the component looks like. Feels okay. Feels like midline, not too cheap, not too expensive. I like the colors. The rose gold is cute. It smells good. It kind of smells minty. The doe foot is pretty interesting. Looks like that. I think it'll apply a lot because it seems to be holding a fair amount in there. So I will also put this in an upcoming look. Very cute. Okay, food just got here, so I'm gonna have to finish up this video really fast. Last thing is the First Class collection from from Lilly Lashes. Really cute bag. Opens like this. It's actually not. Okay, it could definitely open smoother. Okay, it's a traveling bag, so decent amount of space in there. I could definitely foresee putting a lot of makeup products in there to travel with. Comes with the eyelash curler, which is okay, it's not great. I have one already, but I figured I would just get it because it comes in the collection. A pair of tweezers to place your eyelashes on the eye. I don't like these. I feel like they're kind of clunky. I would prefer to just use a pair of tweezers, but that is super dangerous, so don't listen to me. Grab a pair of these. I need to just practice a little bit more and I'll get better. Oh, this is why I got it. The Lash Adhesive from Lilly Lashes is amazing. I went into a hurricane simulator at Rosedale Mall. Where was it that we went, Jake?
Yeah, Rosedale. It was this Sea whatever quest.
Sea Quest, yes, at Rosedale Mall. Super duper fun. Bring the kids. Totally worth the money. Way worth it than the one at MOA. The Lash Adhesive kept my lashes on throughout this hurricane simulator. I was super nervous, but it worked out really well. So definitely do that. And then this particular collection, hold on baby, I'm almost done, comes with one pair of Miami lashes and Miami lights. I love the Miami lashes. They work great. I think they really open up the eyes nicely and enhance any look that you add them to. And then I figured I'd do the lights since it comes with it, but because I'd also want to use it for daytime wear. The final thing from Lilly Lashes are same thing as this, except in Mykonos. It comes with the regular Mykonos and the Mykonos lights. I have a friend of mine who uses these and her eyes always look huge when she wears them. So I'm really excited. They're very dramatic. And then these are the lights, which are also still dramatic, but a nice addition. So that is my early Christmas present for my husband. And thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Bao. Please follow us on IG at Leebaoie. And then also don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm hoping to get back into a rhythm here. So let's keep on going, okay? Thank you. Bye.